Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Lumary RGBW Wi-Fi and Bluetooth outdoor bulb string lights. 56 feet long. And this is really awesome because you can control it via app, via Alexa, via the plug bumper, no prop. All is up to you what you like to control this device here. We have three control methods. We download the Lumary app. So remote control the smart LED string light anytime and of course anywhere because of the internet connection. Or voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant for on and off, brightness and color changes. We can say goodbye to the traditional control method. We will free our hands. Because there's a control box and an app control and group control possible. This device here is waterproof, sunproof, snowproof and shatterproof. Oh yeah. Detachable and replaceable bulbs. One bulb get the damage won't affect other bulbs. That's awesome. We create a warm, inviting outdoor vibes for special moments. With full IP65 waterproofing, we don't worry if the RGBWW string lights get soaked in the rain or splash from the pool. The IP65 protection rating, which makes it waterproof, sunproof, snowproof, and safe to use outdoors. Sturdy plastic shade protects the bulbs from drops and bumps, providing a long-lasting outdoor LED decoration. Voice control is possible, music mode included, 16 million colors, awesome. We control the individual bulbs on and off and set different colors for each bulbs. That's an awesome function and so smart. I like it really much. We can use it in different scenarios. We use it at swimming pools, courtyards, villas, gardens, porches, street tops, stairs, etc., etc., etc. We can use it where we like. And the first step is, of course, if we are going to use the app, we have to download the app, okay? After we download the app, we can pair the system by using the app. There are two methods included too. The first thing is we bring it in pair mode by pushing and holding the main button for approximately 5 seconds. Then we can search it via the Wi-Fi network. Of course, the Wi-Fi network should be 2.4 gigahertz, not the 5 gigahertz network, but it's okay because every 5 gigahertz network router can handle the 2.1 gigahertz network too. No problem for it, okay? And then the next step is we go via the network. If this does not is yours, we can go and use Bluetooth. That means we make allow that this device uses the Bluetooth connection. And if your smartphone is nearly that device here, it can be paired. Okay, that's easy. And if you pair this, it will know that for the next time again, and then you can control it via the app. Of course, you can use it with Alexa and other speech control assistants. But I think the killer application is we have an awesome app control, and in this app control area you can make or control each bulb as you like. You can switch it on, turn it off, a bulb alone, no prop. You can set different colors to it, no prop. You have templates for it, a lot of templates, and they're beautiful. We have a power adapter, UL listed. We have a smart control IP65 waterproof level. a black PVC outer insulating jacket, a PVC copper wire insulating, a 22 AWG bare copper wire itself. We have the LED light bulb, IP65 waterproof and shockproof too. We have a turn on off bulb alone function. We have a high CRI white light, for example, and it is possible to add this to another light source. Really cool. It makes so nice and awesome templates in the app, and or you can create them by yourself. We have the LED area is 56 feet total, and from this 56 feet total is the smart control, and the power adapter is 94.4 inches. So you can see we have 56 feet total length and 94.4 inches is the power adapter and the smart controller, and each bulb is set all 38.5 inches. So you can see it looks really beautiful, and it is waterproof and it is shockproof. You can change the bulbs by yourself. Maybe one is broken, then you can replace it easily and have a good time with that awesome Lumary RGBW Wi-Fi and Bluetooth outdoor bulb string lights. This is awesome, so beautiful light source for outside, and of course for inside, indoor too, and outdoor is possible. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.